See, the next problem is fifth problem, which is saying that check whether 6n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number n. This is also same as the example 1, which saying that check whether 4n is a number and n is a natural number. Check whether the number is ending with digit 0 or not. First write what is the given. The given number is 6n and n is a natural number. Now, what they are asking, the condition can end with the digit 0. As I told you in the previous example, here also same example. That is what, to end any number with the digit 0, there is two conditions. One is that it should have prime factors 2 and 5. When it is having 2 and 5 prime factors of that number, then it is possible to end that number with a digit 0. For example, if you take 10, what are the prime factors? 2 and 5. If you take 100 into table 50 times, into table 25 times, in 5 table 5 times. Here 2 are the factors and 5 are the factors. If you take 40 into table 20 times, into table 10 times, into table 5 times. That means to end any number with 0, that number should have the prime factors 5. That number should have prime factors 5. So before going to finalize whether 6n is having last digit is 0 or not, we have to write one thing, that this is the important point, that 6n can end with 0 if it has 2 and 5 as prime factors. Now, what are the prime factors of 2? What are the prime factors of 2? 2 and 3. But here we have 2 but not 5. So, it is not possible to, here 6 has prime factors 2 and 3. So it is not possible to have the last digit 0 and 6n. Therefore, 6n is equals to 2 into 2 power 3n. This is the solution.